All right, all. So it is the fall, which means that we are going to be dealing with some colds. And I've had a few people, kind of talking about like, what do you do when you have a cold, right? So first and foremost, if you're just like fever, lots of junk, all kinds of stuff coming out, like rest your voice, right? But the other thing that you can do to make sure that you keep like the agility and the movement, like think about when you just stop working out when you're not feeling good, like it's going to take a little time to build back. So what you want to kind of do is you don't necessarily want to jump right back into like heavy lifting after you just had like a cold or fever or whatever, but you want to keep the muscles warm so you can still do some light stuff as you're starting to feel better. Like first and foremost, like rest your body. And I just want to put in here a disclaimer because I just have to, like, I'm not a doctor, but I'm just giving my opinion here from things that I've seen. And so I would rest your body. But then as you're like feeling better, you can definitely do some vocal stuff. And the things that I would do would be some lip rolls, right? If you're having trouble doing that just on your own, this is super effective to put a couple of fingers here to help give a little bit of relax it a bit. Is really what's going to happen. So you don't want this, you don't like this, you want kind of like nice like that. So you can do lip rolls, you can just do them straight, you can do them with scales. And then another great thing that you can do, so you can do that up and down. I wouldn't push it really hard, just keeping it, again, you're kind of keeping the muscles nice and warm. Another thing that you can do is a closed mouth hum. Just nice light hum, moving that up and down, and that will keep you in good vocal health. It will keep it nice and warm, but it won't over push it. So that's what I'd say when you're starting to run into a little cold, right? If it's still a little junky or a fever, or you got to just kind of be your best judge on that, like rest it. But those are a couple of great exercises to work yourself back into your regular regime. All right, here is to not getting sick, hopefully, and ending this video.